diamond heat technology, diamond heat segments, diamond heat core beats, special engines with micropercussion mode. This is an innovative development of the Adel Group together with partners. History of the creation diamond heat technology by Adel Group of companies. By 2016, several types of micropercussion motors already existed on the market, but they were all designed to speed up the process of drilling bricks and light non-reinforced materials. They were not intended for dry drilling of reinforced concrete. Global manufacturers of diamond equipment and tools didn't even believe in the potential for industrial diamond drilling of reinforced concrete without water supply. An attempt by a number of diamond core beads manufacturers to adapt their segments designed for dry brick drilling to reinforced concrete drilling also failed, and the use of PCD crystals hasn't found a mass consumer. The global diamond drilling market was waiting for a solution to this problem. It was possible to solve the problem only in a comprehensive way, developing at the same time technology, segments, core beads and drilling motors. In 2016, Adel Group began a special integrated development of dry drilling technology for reinforced concrete. The technology is called diamond heat. The development began with a study of the products of world manufacturers, declaring the potential possibility of drilling lightly reinforced concrete without water supply. Testing of a number of products showed that there are no technologies, segments and diamond core beads on the market for industrial drilling of reinforced concrete without water supply. We invited a number of world equipment manufacturers to join together for development, but no one even believed in the potential of diamond drilling in reinforced concrete without water supply, and all proposals were considered as a marketing move. We started the development of diamond heat technology, diamond segments and diamond heat core beads with the use of micropercussion motors designed for drilling bricks and light non-reinforced materials. We had to independently refine these engines in order to successfully continue the development of the technology. By mid-2016, we began field serial testing. Adel Group of companies has been working since 1991 in the field of diamond technologies and includes two large companies engaged in services provided of diamond drilling, cutting and dismantling of reinforced concrete, factory for the production of diamond segments for drilling, cutting and grinding, factory for the production of diamond tools for drilling, cutting and grinding, laboratory for the development of diamond segments with test benches, regional and international distribution network. Having a full cycle from development to production and field testing, by the end of 2016 we already had finished technology, diamond segments, diamond core beads and terms of reference for the development of special diamond drilling machines with micropercussion mode without water supply. This technology and terms of reference were presented to one of the world manufacturers of diamond drilling equipment. Together, during 2017, a series of machines for dry diamond drilling of reinforced concrete was developed. In 2017, diamond heat technology entered the global market. In 2018, the diamond heat technology boom began. Many world manufacturers of diamond drilling machines have begun production of micropercussion motors for diamond drilling of reinforced concrete. Manufacturers of diamond segments in Europe and Asia, who just yesterday denied even the potential opportunity of this technology, began the development and presentation of analog segments using diamond heat technology. We were and remain the first in diamond heat technology, but we are glad that the market has accepted, and manufacturers have believed that it is possible to drill reinforced concrete without water. There is still a lot of work to improve micropercussion engines. Of course, from the mechanical formation of micropercussion, we need to move on to induction, electric or magnetic. Impact energy, impact frequency should be continuously adjustable since the concretes in all countries are different. We continue to improve diamond heat segments, but even what we have created with partners over the last 3 years already allows to work on an industrial scale. The substrate allows to braze segments or weld with a laser. Diamond heat segments have been specifically designed for dry drilling with micropercussion in reinforced concrete. You can also drill bricks, masonry and other materials. The production of diamond heat segments is located in Russia, Zelenograd. For the European, American, African and Australian markets, we supply diamond heat segments using the private label system, with laser engraving of your logo on the segment, with diamond heat logo or without logo at your discretion. Diamond heat segments you can laser weld to the tube body or brace with silver or bronze stellar welding alloys Cu59ZnAg, even with dry drilling of reinforced concrete using a vacuum cleaner. Diamond heat segments don't heat up above 80 degrees and the brazing holds the segments well. We recommend the following engines with micropercussion mode: Cardi DP2200 ME16, DPH 3000 ME17, DPH 3500 SE, Veka DKS 15, Bayer BDB 825 and BDB 829, AGP DM62, Milwaukee DD2 160 XE, Eibenstock ESD 1801. These engines with micropercussion mode work perfectly with diamond heat core beads, both on reinforced concrete and on concrete blocks, masonry, brick and various building materials.